want to go there. Yeah. Kain. Kain. Dahil kakaila kami. Hey, hop. Uy.
Alright, mate. Come on, mate. Let's walk on.
I go there. I go na kami.
This way, mate.
She want to enjoy. She play. She play there. She want to play.
Come on, mate. Let's go this way. You go the water.
Yeah, she play from the water because she liked it. You want to stay there, Julia? If you don't like, stay there. Quickly lang because you come back home now, tomorrow. We need to go to the... Yeah, go to the beach there. Go. Yeah, go there. Come here.
The water this way.
The water is there. Oh, come here. She climbed.
Fastest way, car, isn't it, mate?
The problem is you want to go there. The top. Need to pay. I know. Ah, this one, Kylo, look. Wow, oh, look. Come here. Take off your shoes. And she's happy. Yeah, tali nag-brand tagal the blanket there in the ano. Problem is because she want to go to the water. Take off your sandals. Tani nag ano ta ba? Nag-brand ta tani ano.